Hey friends, here is a table before, and we got the plastic cover on there. Show you how it looks. So this is 80 by 40 when it's extended. It's nice, but it just has these like deep edges or grooves kind of in the table there. So a lot of times when you're trying to clean off your table, it's real easy for food to get in there. So we got this vinyl cover for it, and I'm going to be putting that on and see how well that works. All right, friends, well, here we go. This is the cover right now. So if you're just over the top of the table, it looks pretty much like a wooden table. This is pretty clear and see-through. Obviously, if there's sunlight behind, it's going to be pretty shiny. What I like about this is it's really easy to clean. Like I said, I think I mentioned before, this table had like cracks in it. So if you were going to go to like clean your table, it's going to leave crumbs and junk in there and get stuck in the cracks. So this eliminates all this. It's one solid piece. Took a couple days. You can see it's still a little bit curved here on the end, so you can just bend that back if you want to. We just took some hair dryers. I'll put some books on it, you know, kind of because it was all rolled up, and then that kind of settled most of it out. I'm not even worried about this little bend at the end. I kind of like how it curves over the end of the table there, but it's very easy to clean. Like I said, I think it looks decently nice as well. It's not all sticky or anything like that. Seems to be fairly heat resistant. We do have a little placemats that we put on it, but we're super happy with it. And thanks for watching this quick review. Have a great day. I'll see y'all next time.